Oakley. Paul Burt, backyard engineer here, as usual. Right, I have taken a 16-inch Range Rover alloy and I cut the front of it. Front's over there. This is just pure experimental rim at the moment. So that is the rear section out of a 16-inch Range Rover alloy. This, again, totally experimental, is the front of the 16-inch Range Rover alloy. Now this is one of the ones which I've cut the same as when I did the Mark II Ghia alloys. So it was tapered, but it really should be flat. So when I get around to making these properly, that will be a flat 90-degree surface rather than the 70 degrees which I've got there. I then took a TRX alloy and I cut the rear of the wheel off altogether because it's got to be 16-inch anyway. I then turned this index down. Now, as you can see, that's tapered down literally because this section here is tapered, so this is just a trial fit. So what I've left is a 5mm indexed edge, and I've got to copy that indexed edge into the rim so that when this sits on there, that sits there. So I had to cut the rear off to get the front on. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to take your TRX wheel, sit it down, then put your Range Rover hoop over there. Just let me give them a little tap. Obviously this would be a heat shrink fit, and that gives you your TRX in 16-inch. And basically what I would have to do is get this as a tolerance fit, so heat up the hoop so everything comes down and indexes into that 5mm. Then we take that, and this sits over the Range Rover hoop absolutely perfect. So what I would end up with is, obviously this needs to be trimmed and cleaned and made beautiful. So basically there'd be a TIG weld all around there, and if I can just turn this upside down, there would also be a TIG weld all the way around there. So you've basically got, because that is a nice fit, it will basically self-center itself once I get it in the lathe, and I get it in the lathe and I can weld it round. And obviously I would just clean and tidy up this rim to make it nice. Also, let me get rid of that. This would be using the genuine forward valve hole, so I wouldn't have to be pissing around trying to file those out. So yes, and so that gives me the 16-inch TRX wheels and the 14-inch Mark II Ghia alloys, and obviously the Mark I Ghia alloys as well, all in 16-inch. So yeah, it's been quite a journey, really. Okie dokie people, if you would please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be absolutely hunky-dory. Thanks guys, Paul Burt Engineer signing off.